How to use photographic styles on iPhone. Step 1. Start by opening your camera app. Photographic styles are available on iPhone 13 and newer models, so make sure you're using compatible device. Step 2. If it's your first time, you'll be prompted to choose a style when you open the camera. If that, just swipe up on the viewer finder or tap the arrow at the top. Then, tap the three square icon to open your photographic styles. Step 3. Choose your style. It's either standard, rich contrast, vibrant, warm, or cool. Swipe between them and adjust tone and warmth using the sliders to make it truly yours. Step 4. Once you pick a style, every photo you take will automatically apply that look without needing extra filters later. You can't change the style after taking the photo to choose carefully, so you must choose carefully. And that's it.